Well, hey folks, and welcome to Solar Cabin Channel. I've got a fun and I hope an interesting video for you. Today I'm going to talk about doing wildlife photography or videography around your homesteads or around your homes. Just using some simple equipment that most of you probably already have. Using your phone camera and using a mount system like a simple tripod or one of the vent mounts that you use in your cars. And using just some simple feeders to get some good pictures of wildlife, whether it be birds or other animals that may come and visit your homesteads. Now, I'm an off-gridder. I've lived off-grid for over 20 years, and I get all kinds of little critters here that come and visit me all the time. Everything from skunks to wildcats to different birds, lots of different birds and little pheasants and animals that come and visit all the time on my homestead. However, most of the time, by the time I get in to get my camera and get it set and get ready to take a picture of them, they're long gone, you know. So I got this new camera, and I've been learning how to use it as a remote camera, using a remote button so that I can take some pictures of animals without scaring them off, without having to be out there all the time, and just using some simple feeders like a hummingbird feeder or bird feeders to attract the little critters in, and then I can get some good pictures or some good video of them. So here's an example of a video I took of a hummingbird today. The sun has come peeking its face in my window. It teases me, come out and play. There's so much to do if you'll just come and do it. What a wonderful, fantastic day. It's a wonderful, amazing, fantastic, beautiful day. Such a wonderful, amazing, fantastic, beautiful day. I play in the garden. Now, I just enjoy taking the videos and looking at the pictures later, but I also use these as an educational tool for my grandson, who is going on 5 years old, and I send him up the videos, and then I ask him to identify the birds or the animals that are in the picture. So I use it as a tool to educate my grandson, but also just for entertainment for myself. So what you're going to need for this project is a phone of some sort, whether it's an iPhone or an Android type phone, with the camera on it. Now, it doesn't matter if the phone actually works, as long as the camera works. And you know, if you want to, you can even pick up used phones with cameras on them through eBay and places like that are sold used. Sometimes the phone no longer works, but the camera still works, and that's what you need for this project, is a working camera. And then you're going to need something like a tripod or another mount system that I'm going to show you here. And you're going to need some type of a feeder or some way to attract the little critters to you. And then you're going to need a remote. Okay, so I'm just using this little remote that actually came with my camera. And my camera is nothing special. This is a $35 track phone, Moto Android phone that I got to replace my old flip phone that I've been using for years. But it takes really good picture and takes really good video. And it came with the remote. Now, if your camera doesn't come with a remote, you can get one off of Amazon. You can probably get them just about anywhere nowadays. And some of them, this one only just turns it on or off for video camera or for taking pictures. But some of them let you adjust the zoom in or out, let you adjust the volume of the audio and things like that. So you can get them that are more technical than this one is. This one just turns it on and off, and you do your settings right on your camera. But that's plenty for me. So this is how I've got my setup. Let's walk outside and I'll show you how I've got my setup so that I can take videos and pictures of the hummingbirds that come around this time of year, because I've got my hummingbird feeder set up. So then I can send those up to my grandson, or just keep them for myself to look at these videos and pictures up close when I want to look at the hummingbirds. Okay, so there's my hummingbird feeder you can see up there. And the only thing I'd tell you is, if you want to take pictures of birds especially, if you've got a feeder like this, then you want a background that's kind of clear. Like you can see, I've just got a nice sky view behind it. That way the birds will show up, because if you have it in front of trees in something like that, then you're not going to be able to see the birds as well. So you want a nice background, and then you can zoom in. You can see you can zoom in to get a nice background for your images, and that way it will look nicer when you're doing pictures or images of whatever you're doing. And then that's just on my porch here. It's attached to the rafter of my porch. And then here's my tripod, which I got, and it has a holder that's made specifically for these phones. The phone goes in here, and then this latches over the top of it, and then it's adjustable, so I can adjust it up to angle it so that I can get the right angle. And then I zoom in on my feeder up there, and then I can take these pictures without having to disturb the birds. I've just got this set here by my cabin door. Here's my cabin door, and then I can sit in there and I can see through my window right there when the hummingbirds come around. And then I just use that little remote right there, that little remote I talked about. I just click the button on the remote, and that turns the camera on so that it takes the videos of the hummingbirds when they're there. And then as soon as they leave, I turn it off. That way I'm not wasting my battery. And you know, I can usually get several videos a day or pictures a day of the hummingbirds as they come around to visit this little feeder right here. Okay, so you can see that my setup is nothing fancy or too expensive. Anybody should be able to do this setup to take pictures of wildlife, birds, and you can use it not just for hummingbirds, you can use it for any bird feeder. Just set your bird feeder up and then set your camera out, and all you want to do is just make sure that your remote is set up so that it will work on your camera at the distance that you're going to be setting it up from. And I just do mine on my porch, or I set it out on the tree, and then I sit on my porch and use it to take pictures of my other bird feeders. And so this way I can take wildlife pictures and bird pictures around my place without scaring off the little critters. Alright, I hope you like this video, and if you have suggestions or ideas for other ways that it can be done, please put them in the comments. Alright folks, have a great day. The sun has come peeking its face in my window. It teases me, come out and play. There's so much to do if you'll just come and do it. What a wonderful, fantastic day. It's a wonderful, amazing, fantastic, beautiful day. Such a wonderful, amazing, fantastic, beautiful day. I play in the garden, surrounded by beauty of nature and all living things. The clouds and the mountains, they beckon unto me. Come on, child, and let's try your wings. It's a wonderful, amazing, fantastic, beautiful day. Such a wonderful, amazing, fantastic, beautiful day. Rise up now and see all this world has to offer. Don't sleep in and let it pass by. Seize on to each moment and memory given. Come on now, let your hearts fly. It's a wonderful, amazing, fantastic, beautiful day. Such a wonderful, amazing, fantastic, beautiful day. It's a wonderful, amazing, fantastic, beautiful day. Such a wonderful, amazing, fantastic, beautiful day.